Hey there beauties, it's Jaleesa Sharice, and guess what? It's almost Halloween. Fun fact, I was almost born on Halloween, so naturally I take this time of year very seriously and I love to create new looks. This year I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this royal Cleopatra look with all things from Sally Beauty. So if you want to learn how I achieved this look, keep watching. My main focus for this look is makeup, so I will be wearing a wig. So right now I have my hair twisted back and a wig cap on. Then I'm going to prime my skin with the Fundamental Smoothing Primer from Collab. I like to get all of my priming done first, so next I'm going to move to the Femme Couture Get Primed Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to prime both of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be using the Bitsy Custom Eyeshadow in Freshly Minted on my outer corner and just above the crease. For only under $2, this eyeshadow is actually very pigmented and it's very buildable. Before moving on to the metallic cream golden shadow, I'm going to create a base with foundation on my lid in the shape that I want to create for my eyeshadow. Think of this as a guide for application. For my lid, I'm going to be using the Bitsy Metallic Cream Shadow in Gold Mine, and I'm going to be using the Femme Couture Get Lock Setting Spray on my brush to help the pigmentation and to reduce fallout. Also notice that I lightly pack the eyeshadow rather than sweeping it. To apply my choice of foundation, I'm going to be using the Collab Multitasker Makeup Blending Sponge. After filling in and defining my brows, I'm going to move on to eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the Palladio liquid eyeliner in black, of course, and I'm going to create a fairly thin line along my upper lash line. Notice how I extend the eyeliner all the way to the edge of the gold. Once I finish creating my first line, I'm going to create the second, and the second is going to be just above the crease where I have created the outline of my golden eyeshadow. It's important to note that I'm not connecting the top line with the bottom line. Instead, the top line is going to simply extend to the edge of the gold outline, leaving a space between the top and the bottom. Next, I'm going to be using the Collab Bold Face Liner in black to line my waterline, and that's going to be the lower lash line. I'm also going to use this eyeliner to help me create a soft outline of the eye of Horus that I'm going to create on my right eye. Once I have that soft outline complete, I'm going to go back with the Palladio liquid eyeliner in black and make the eye of Horus design more prominent. When it comes to lashes, Ardell has some of my favorites. I'm going to be using the Mega Volume 252, and I'm going to be applying them to my upper lash line with the Duo Strip Adhesive. One of my tips for applying lashes successfully is to let the adhesive dry down just a little bit until it gets a little tacky, and then apply to the lash line. I absolutely love that these lashes aren't too long, but they're very voluminous. Now I'm going to blend my natural lashes with the faux lashes with the Collab Wow Effect All-in-One Mascara. I totally feel like an Egyptian goddess or queen skin should glow, so I'm going to be using the Ardell Attitude Adjustment Shade Effects drops. Really, one drop is all I need for all areas, so that includes cheeks, along the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Anywhere where light naturally hits the face. I start by blending with my fingertip, and if I need to kind of tone it down a little bit, I'll go back over it with my beauty blender to give a natural beneath the skin glow. Now for the lips. So I decided to go with something metallic for this look, so I'm using the Ardell Metallic Lip Gloss in Addicted to Metal. It's a beautiful gold color that I think you can actually rock all fall long. And it's a lip gloss, but it has the feeling of a lipstick. It's very soft, very comfortable, and it lasts. Now I'm going to slip on my wig and prepare for the final touches for this look. To get my strands in order, I am using my Cricut comb from Sally Beauty. I love to serve a fierce Halloween look all the way down to the nails, and this ain't it. I'm going to be applying these bronze press-on nails from Bella Nails, and then I'm going to apply a couple of braids to my wig and some embellishments to kind of jazz it up a little bit. Now I'm pretty much done, but I like to be a little extra, so I want to add something else to this look. I want kind of some body glow. So I'm going to be using the Mystic Divine Hydrating Dry Oil Shimmer Spray. I really like this stuff because it's not greasy at all. It dries down very quickly, and it makes my skin look gorgeous. Alright beauty, so that is my complete Cleopatra look for Halloween this year. I hope you enjoyed this video and that inspired you to create a look of your own from Sally Beauty or sallybeauty.com. I'll see you beauties in my next video. Don't forget to glow. Bye.